Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fresh tilapia has a pinkish hue to its flesh and it is slightly translucent when it's raw. When it's cooked, it will turn white and opaque. To check if the fish is completely cooked through, insert a fork at an angle at the thickest part of the meat and twist gently. If it flakes, it's done.
Take our lead.
Also, fish may be eaten raw, undercooked or prepared in ways that do not kill viruses. Fish can also be a source of disease-causing viruses. Although not common in tilapia, species of Shigella, hepatitis and norovirus are examples of viruses that can cause foodborne illness.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Points to remember when cooking fish: any harmful bacteria will be on the outside of the fish, and not in the middle. So, you can cook whole fish to preference or pink in the middle, as long as the outside is fully cooked. This is because they can contain harmful bacteria throughout.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
8 to 10 minutes. Cook the fillets for 8 to 10 minutes. Monitor the liquid closely during this time to ensure the liquid does not return to a boil. Reduce the heat slightly if you see anything more than a few slow, gently bubbles rising from the liquid.
Take our lead.
Raw tilapia has a mild and somewhat sweet taste, making it a popular substitution for red snapper in sushi recipes. Tilapia is very healthy for you and is even safe for pregnant women to eat. Raw tilapia has a mild and somewhat sweet taste, making it a popular substitution for red snapper in sushi recipes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.